The electronic Jacquard machine is mainly composed of modules, mechanical parts, and electrical parts. The three parts must work together reliably for the Jacquard machine to work properly. The main job of the mechanical part is to make all the knives reach the highest point at the same time. After the Jacquard machine has been working for a period of time, due to mechanical wear and other reasons, all the knives will not reach the highest point at the same time. For example, the chain of a sprocket structured Jacquard machine will be stretched after working for a period of time. Usually the stretched length of the left chain and the right chain are different. The time to reach the highest point of the knife is different. In severe cases, fabric errors occur. This is the ordinary C1 and C2 signal panel. Proximity switch C2 and panel of C2. Proximity switch C1 and panel of C1. This is the power on mode of the modules when the Jacquard leaves the factory. And the red area is power on. Power on modules when C1 and C2 action. The power on angle is the smallest. And the module's heat is the lowest. Power on modules when C1 or C2 action. The power on angle is the largest. And the modules heats up the most. Don't set it in this way unless necessary. Power on modules when C2 action. The power on angle is the angle of the C2 signal panel. And the modules generates a lot of heat, about 2 times of normal. If the loom can only run in the forward direction, but not in the reverse direction, it is usually necessary to adjust the C2 signal panel forward. Power on modules when C1 action. The power on angle is the angle of the C1 signal panel. And the modules generates a lot of heat. It usually takes some time to solve the problem that all the knife lifts will not reach the highest point at the same time. Before this, can change the power on mode setting of the modules to make the Jacquard machine work normally. After solving the mechanical problem, such as replacing the chain, restore the normal power on mode, C1 and C2 action.